Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Hey Bandit, what you doing? What you doing? He's a good boy. Well, Turbo Van is back. Oh, and it's so good. Let's see what we got for you here. And okay, so here's a full report. At the end of the day, appears we have everything done. Right there was the latest culprit. There is a hose right under that hose right there, and it was making a beautiful little magical rain shower, spraying straight up like a squirt gun onto the bottom of the seat, as you can see here. And it was ponding all up around this and spraying all over this, and just generally not a good state of affairs. So I'm gonna wait till she gets cooled down and take the pressure washer to that and get that all cleaned up. And yeah, we've got let's see, down there, all new lines down there, all new lines all around, new clutch cable. Had to get a new shifter knob. The old shifter knob was like a custom job, custom built by somebody who did those little wooden things. He did the wooden shifter knob, but they took it off and they could never get it back on. So I got this really super Japanimation, and it lights up. It's got a button right there, and it lights up like 8 different colors. But it looks really cool. You can make it go blue and match the stereo, so it looks like a fighter jet in here. Sounds great. She's revving out. New water pump, new timing belt. Although, I have to say, got looking at it, here's an issue. That was the old water pump. And as you can see, that's not looking good. The hosing, funny enough, that hose, it looks good. It's a 30-year-old hose, man. As you can see right there, a little drying, a little bit of hardening, drying there. Not really though. It's really soft, deceptive. Had pinhole leaks that formed in almost all of them. There's the timing belt. Timing belt looks okay. Making sure that Bandit's not getting into trouble, because that's why his name is Bandit. Because he steals things. Yes. But let's have a look at that timing belt now. It's so old that all the numbering and stuff has worn off of it, but in all, there's the timing mark. In all, okay, well, look at that. I just found a problem. Starting to fray at the edges. So that is an old timing belt, even though it looks like it would have held for quite a while. Yeah, we have filament showing through. So, that's trash. I guess I'll keep it around just for a reference. Bandit. Oh, he's a ham. And this guy, let's take him out in the light for you. Now, things like this popped up all over it, and were bypassed. We built new ones. But that right there is a part, and I believe that is only in the vans. And as you can see here, it was letting a nice little rust, nice little spray shower where it hooked up at, and well, come on, focus for me. Huh. But right there, as you can see, there is there's a little spot of rust, and that was one of the places it was dripping. So, getting all back around to it, she's got pretty much all new parts. But man, oh man, she filthy. Look at this. Over there near the shop at Excel, they're near the highway, and that is pure diesel. Just filthy. So I'm gonna have to get the pressure washer out get all this stuff done. Now watch when you do that, van owners, truck owners, grab your seat belt because it'll get stuck down in there and pull it into a pulley or something. Look how filthy she is, man. I think they were driving around in it, which I can't say as I blame them. It is about the funnest car ever built. God, she's just filthy. But she is back and running great. Got new lights for the roof because the last ones quit working. I'll do a review on those too. Got a screen door, screen window, so you can roll up one of these back windows or roll it down and put screen in it, bug screen. Got the Sakura chair. And so now I'm going to go, as you can see in there, I'm going to go ahead and sort out all the equipment because I don't want to tenderfoot it. If it's summer stuff we're doing, I'm not bringing any of the heater or the winter stuff and any of that. If we're not doing a lot of cooking, I'm not bringing a lot of the cooking. That Rubbermaid container I have it all in, that thing broke, so I need to get it into another one. Yeah, just all sorts of little things like this. Alrighty, new mud tires for the FJ, man. These, if you remember the video I did on these the day I got them, those are 10 years old, man. I mean, dude, those are great tires. So I ordered some mud terrain, and I'm real impressed. I actually bought these for less on Amazon than I bought those for at Discount Tire over there. But these are some nice aggressive mil-spec tread. These are gonna do real good. They're gonna look great on her. So that's what we've been up to, and we got some more van life stuff, and we're gonna do a cooking video out of this shortly. We'll figure something out. But yeah, Turbo Van's back on the road, so turbo a go-go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned.